Have you ever wanted to create stunning watercolor paintings but didn't know where to start? Or maybe you've struggled with the mess, the supplies, or the fear of making mistakes? What if I told you there was a way to enjoy all the beauty of watercolor painting without any of the hassle? Introducing the Watercolor Painting Academy Pretty Edition, a step-by-step digital painting course designed to help you master the art of watercolor painting on your iPad. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned artist, this course is perfect for you. The course is structured to take you on a creative journey, starting with the foundational techniques like brush control and blending, and then moving into fun warm-ups and practice exercises. From there, you'll dive into 6 beautiful projects, including a delicate feather, a flowing tutu, soft flowers and balloons, a dreamy butterfly, a vibrant hummingbird, and a lovely perfume bottle. No drawing skills? No problem. With my paint over guides, you can skip the sketching and focus on painting. You'll also get custom digital brushes, curated color swatches, and detailed reference materials, all included to make your creative journey effortless and enjoyable. You'll be amazed at how quickly your skills improve. With practice exercises, beginner-friendly lessons, and advanced projects, you'll build confidence and see a real progress in every painting. Don't just take my word for it. My incredible students have been creating breathtaking works of art even if they're new to digital painting. This course has helped them unlock their creativity, and I can do the same for you. When you join the Watercolor Painting Academy, you'll receive 6 practice lessons to sharpen your techniques, 6 beautiful projects to paint step by step, a bonus lesson on how to use your artwork in a real-life application, custom digital brushes, guides, and reference materials, and more bonuses like tips, tricks, and extra resources to help elevate your art. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. No mess, no stress, just pure creativity. So why wait? Join the Watercolor Painting Academy today and start creating beautiful digital watercolor paintings you'll be proud of. Ready to bring your art to life? Enroll now and start painting today.